Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks. This is a font I never had seen before, and somebody sent me a file, and they want to change the dots or the squares, rectangles, or squares into a different shape. Well, the font is called Advanced LED, and I've already changed this one to circles and this one to stars. Really easy in Monster Macro or macromonster.com with Ecuts. This is the second person that's bought it I know of this week and just need a little bit of help because they'd seen a video and they wanted to really do this. But anyway, this font is a DA font, really easy to download. You just double click on the download. I normally pick the larger file and just double click on it, and right there's install. I'm not going to do it because I just did it so I could have it. And then it's in your font folder. So to get back to the scenario, the problem he's having, he can't change the shape. So let's bring our shape down, make it a little bit bigger, make it a little bit bigger. And what his problem is, you need to go to object and convert them to a curve. While it's still selected, go to object and break curve apart. That way, each one of these dots or squares are individually. Then inside of Ecuts, there is a replace, and it's right here on the menu board. But we select the 0, set master shape. I'm going to select just 3 of the letters, replace with master shape. It's that easy, that quick. Let's do a star. Set master shape, grab the other 4 letters, replace with master shape. And in that quick a time, you change the shape. So that's macromonster.com Ecuts. Hope that helped. Thank you for watching.